Hello, in front of me I've got Lenovo Yoga Tab 11. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to Settings and go to Display. Right here you will find every settings for your display. And let's start with the top of the list, where you can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next you can change font size, display size, wallpaper, we can enable dark wallpaper with dark theme and dark theme itself, that we can also schedule. Next we can enable or disable eye protection mode, that we can also schedule. And adjust. Next we can change color mode and color temperature. And then we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds, 13 seconds and never. Then we can manage lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, add users from lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, and wake screen for notifications. Then we can enable or disable auto rotate screen, smart rotate function, tap to wake, leave to check tablet, and we can set screensaver. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.